what's going on? I'm Jody. This is Inspire Woodcraft, and today I have some really big news. I just quit my day job. That's the news. That's the whole video. All right, but in all seriousness.
In March of 2018, I had no idea how to use a DSLR. I knew nothing about white balance. I didn't understand lighting. I did have some white balance and lighting issues, and apparently I didn't understand how to lock focus. I had no clue about video editing. I didn't know where to start for a website. I had a website, but I didn't know how to use it. I knew affiliate marketing was a thing, but I couldn't even figure out how to get links to put in the description boxes or on the website. Just don't worry about it. There were 1,000 things I didn't know and one thing I did. I want this. See, I was determined to make online content my career. Not sure how that's gonna work, but I mean, what's the worst that could happen? This was my one opportunity and I wasn't going to let it get away. Let's try it. I think over the course of the last year, we've done pretty well for ourselves. And here's why. I've stayed up every night crash coursing on the internet to learn as much as I possibly can. See, we live in a very different world now than the one most of us grew up in. There's so much information at our fingertips all the time, and there's honestly no reason not to learn about anything and everything. And the great part about that for me is I still have so much more I want to learn. So what I've learned so far, it's probably a good idea to always wear pants, is that some people really hate music and videos, and some people really don't mind. I've learned that some people really like my beard, and some people really don't. My wife hates my beard. I think now we're keeping it right in the middle. I've also learned that this job is really freaking difficult. Way more difficult than I had ever imagined. But the thing that makes it challenging is that striving for perfection. But since perfection is an illusion, that means I will never be out of work. And I'll always be able to get better and better depending on how much work I want to put into it. So why'd I make this video? I made this video to say thank you to the 41,000 people who have hit that subscribe button and followed us along on this crazy journey for the last year. It was April 1st, 2018 that we officially went full time and decided to make YouTube content and online content a part of that. So far, so good. I also made this video to hopefully get inside some of your heads who have dreams and passions and ideas but are too afraid to make that jump or that push. Now, I'm not by any means saying quit your job and start a YouTube channel and hope for the best, fingers crossed, and just dive in. That's not what I'm saying, but I am saying that I know a lot of you have told me that you really want to get into video content or whatever it might be, and I'm telling you to keep going, keep pushing, keep striving, because if I hadn't have done that, I wouldn't have been where I was now. I'm not trying to say that I'm a big YouTube star because I'm nowhere near where I'd like to be. But 1 year ago today, we started with zero. With hard work and all of your support, my family and I are finally starting to feel like we can breathe a little bit. And hopefully in another year, we'll actually be comfortable. So I just want to say thanks again to all of you, your comments, your emails, your suggestions, your support. I'd also like to say a special thank you to those of you that have gone to inspirewoodcraft.com and made donations, no matter how big or small, in our fundraiser attempt for our dear friend Courtney, who has breast cancer and is going through that process. You rock. That means a ton. Thank you again from her family, from our family. It's amazing. As always, thanks so much for watching this video, and we will see you guys in the next video.